If you have never used Excel, this video will take you from zero to fully set up without no stress, no confusion, and no third-party app installation. We are using the Microsoft recommended method. So Microsoft Excel is one of the powerful tools used in data. It can be used for calculating, budgeting, data analysis, and many other things. So to get started, you need to have Microsoft Office package, of course, because it contains Excel. You need to have that on your PC. To have that, we have two main methods. Number one is the Office 365, which is subscription or it's being paid for. Number two, we have Office LTSC. Office LTSC, on the other hand, is a one-time installation that requires no update, no internet, and it's just free. So I'll walk you through how to install this Office LTSC on your PC without no problem. So to install the Office LTSC, of course, I made a video about that, a separate video. So I'm gonna pin it here. Check out this video. After that, after you've done watching or you've downloaded your Office package or Office LTSC, you can come back to the video. Let's get the interface started, or let's start with the Excel proper. Go to the start menu, or the window, or you can go down here, search for Excel, EXC. Of course, Excel is here. Open it. As you can see, this is the display of Office LTSC 2024. Of course, these are templates and this is a blank worksheet. So let's click on blank worksheet. So before we go deeper in the next video, let me quickly show you what you are looking at. This small box you are seeing is called a cell, and here this line you are seeing here is a row, while the one you can see down like this is a column. Of course, this is the ribbon. Let's go there again. Go to option down below here. See, now let's under this general tab, of course, leave this one to default. It's good. Let's go to save. Here we gonna activate and deactivate some settings. So save auto recover information every 10 minutes. So actually reduce it most of the time to 1 minute in case. That's just in case if I'm using desktop, of course. And the file format we gonna use here is XLSX. This is the Excel extension. Okay, now let's keep the last auto recover version. If I choose without saving, of course, leave it like that. And now this is our auto recover file location. This is the location where it's gonna be saving the auto save document. So let's change it so we can see our files. Let's go to Windows Explorer, choose document, choose Excel by Lucas, and click up here to copy the path. Copy it like this. Copy. Go back to the Excel, and here in this box, paste it there. Next time when it auto save, you will see it in that same folder we've just created. And here you can see the default local file location, of course, it's under document. That's again, let's change it to the same folder there. Here, of course, copy it and go there again, paste it, highlight all, activate and paste it in. Now click on OK. So now your Excel is set up and fully ready. In the next video, I will break down some of the interface so you don't feel lost. But make sure to subscribe and follow the course. Thank you. and see you in the next video.